Hello guys, good day. It's Coach Grace. In our today's class, we'll be talking on the basic apps, basic tools we need in affiliate marketing as a beginner. So, number one in our list is Canva app. The main purpose of this app is for graphic designs and content creation. Canva is a free beginner-friendly design tools that allow users to create professional-looking graphic, posters, aids, social media posts, and even presentation using ready-made templates. So, this main purpose of this Canva is for graphic designs. Instead of you to pay people to do your flyers or your stickers, your profiles, your posters, or your social media post, rather use your hand to do it with already made template, which is the design that is already there. It's only meant for you to edit and put it to your style you like. The main importance of this Canva app is help you to design attractive marketing content without needing graphic design skills. So you don't need that skill in graphic designs. You don't need the skills because it's beginners friendly, unlike some other sites or websites. It's perfect for creating Instagram posts, Facebook ads, ebook covers, WhatsApp flyers, and so more. It's perfect. Like me, all my designs I usually do, I I design them from Canvas app because it's friendly. At first, when I first found it, it was you know, with time I have to learn the basic tools and how to do it. So I somehow perfect in doing it. Not that perfect though. So it supports brand consistency by allowing you to save brand color, front and templates. As you can see, it's beginners friendly. It allows you to save brand colors, front and templates, unlike some that will ask you to pay before you will able to save it. For example now, let's say you can use Canva to design a beautiful flyer promoting your digital product, or to create an eye-catching WhatsApp status image that draws attention. I stated this earlier. You can use it to design your posters, your social media posts. You can use it and it should be attractive. So this is how your Canva will look like. If you want to download it, this is Canva. It's either you download the app or you use their website. So the next one in our list is mental health. So mental health is also known as someone known as Facebook Ads Manager app. So the main purpose of this mental health is for running paid ads on Facebook and Instagram. These apps allow you to create and manage Facebook and Instagram advertisements directly from your phone. Mental health manager is essential for paid traffic generation, angels, targeting, and budget controls, and performance tracking. So what is the main importance of this mental health? Its importance, you can run target campaigns to promote your offers. It gives you control over ad spending and lets you measure the performance of each ad, clicks, conversation and impression. Helps you in scaling your online business by reaching thousands of potential customers. Let's give an example under this mental health. Now for example now, after creating your digital products or affiliate offer, you can use this app to run ad Facebook ads that drive traffic to your WhatsApp landing page or sales funnel. So I will give you the photo of this mental health manager. So this is the logo of mental health manager. You can download the app or you can use their website. So the next on our list is Finos browser. The main purpose of Finos browser is for fast, lightweight internet browsing. This Finos browser is is the browser you can use to log into your seller account, your Canvas account, your Meta Ads account. Let me say it's somehow more important. Finos browser is a mobile browser known for its speed, data saving features and built-in and it's particularly helpful in areas with slow internet connection or people who want smooth browsing experience with low data usage. Why is Finex browser important? It helps you to download and access files, documents or videos easily. Helpful for uploading or downloading con ten t from Google Drive, media platform or online storage. Let me give you the diagram of a Finex driver for those people who don't know. So this is the diagram, or you can use any other browsers you have, like your Chrome, your Firefox, so and that, Opera Mini, Safari. You can just use any one that you have or the one that suits best for you. So the next on our list, the last but not the least, is Screen Recorder. The main purpose of Screen Recorder is for recording phone screen activities, for doing your phone screen activities. Those modern phones have screen recorders, but if yours don't have, you can download the app. You can download Screen Recorders app. This app allow you to record what happens on your screen, including your voice narration. This is especially useful for creating tutorials, walkthrough or presentation for your audience. Why is this screen recorders important? It help you to create demos, videos explaining how to use a product or a app, like I'm doing now. Ideas for creating your own mini course or selling inform-based digital products. Help you record webinars, step-by-step tutorials or how to guide that can later be uploaded to social medias or shared with clients. Now for example, now under this screen recorder, if you want to teach people how to set up Facebook ads or show them how to access your training products, you can record your screen and send the videos as a lesson, like I'm doing now. I'm doing screen recording. Hope you get. So for those that don't have screen recorders, this is the app logo. You can go to your Play Store, your APK, any app downloader, and download it. So in conclusion, with these 4 apps or these 4 websites, it can help a starter in online space like affiliate marketing, a business brand, for like anyone that wants to build a solid online presence or sell a digital or affiliate products. You can use it. And let me repeat again, let me recap. Canva is for creating marketing visual. The Meta Aid is for promoting your product or your digital product to a large audience with permission, which is with money. You pay for it because it's a paid aid. Your browser is to browse and download with speed, while your screen recorder is to teach or present what you do to others. So thank you. See you in our next class.